If you're an Android enthusiast who enjoys crafting your own apps or occasionally sideloading APKs, get ready for a significant shift in how you operate. Google has announced a sweeping new policy that will require developer verification for all applications installed on certified Android devices. This means that virtually every mainstream Android device will be affected, including those used by hobbyists and developers who prefer to sideload apps or use alternative app stores like F-Droid. For those familiar with distributing apps through the Google Play Store, this change might not come as a complete surprise. Developer verification, which involves submitting a scan of your government ID and providing contact information, has already been a mandatory step for Play Store submissions. However, the latest announcement extends this requirement to all app installations, effectively closing the loophole that allowed sideloading and alternative app stores to bypass these verification measures. According to Google's official blog post, the new verification system will enter a trial phase starting in October 2025. By March 2026, developer verification will become available to all developers, and by September 2026, the first wave of countries, Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore, will see their Google-certified Android devices requiring this verification. The global rollout is expected to begin in 2027, with the goal of maintaining a whitelist of verified developers on every Google-blessed Android device. Google claims that these changes are primarily aimed at enhancing security. However, critics argue that the new system won't necessarily prevent scammers from purchasing existing verified developer accounts, nor will it significantly reduce the risk of unscrupulous apps. And this is the part most people miss. The real impact might be on the Android ecosystem itself, particularly for hobbyists and open-source developers. By imposing such strict verification requirements, Google could inadvertently stifle innovation and limit the platform's appeal as an alternative to Apple's tightly controlled iOS environment. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Google's move a genuine effort to improve security, or is it a strategic play to align Android more closely with the closed ecosystems of competitors like Apple? What do you think? Does the potential increase in security justify the loss of flexibility and openness in the Android ecosystem? Share your thoughts in the comments below.